Okay, here's a few ready to go out today. First one here over on the left, Michael Queerum. He's getting 100 feet of blue high heat with the ultimate, blue ultimate QD on it. There's the female and there's the stainless male. He's also getting 5 QD covers that he can install on his own females and some regular V-jets that he can install a check valve in later if he wants. And he's getting a Joe valve. That's Michael Queerum of Carpet America in Shorewood, Illinois. Thank you, Michael. Then we've got Roland Rossetti. Just bought 250 footers of my buck-a-foot hose on sale for 75 cents a foot. Got that out of here yesterday, and now he's adding to it with my little 10-inch S-bend Stair tool. Okay, he didn't go custom on that, but it comes pretty well set up. So you got the brass soft touch, yellow jacket, 1.5 inch tube, 10-inch head. He could add a glide later on if he wants. That holds a 10-inch CMP Stair tool glide. Let's see then. Oh, here's Dave Wright, good guy, local guy, just broke off on his own, young, open-minded kind of guy, still listening to me. Loves the White Knight, green guard, getting him some citrus degreaser, and look at there, the perfect pocket brush, aka butt brush, perfect spotter scrub brush for carpet cleaners. I wish some of you veterans would listen to me on that. It's all right. Here's Tony Tobias up in Wisconsin getting his little quota of nectar, 6 gallons of cleaner and deodorizer. We call it nectar. Smells just like honeysuckle to me. Let's see. Then we've got another kind of new guy. He's on Honest Cleaner. Hi, Dustin. Dustin Pass of Aaron Quality Cleaners in Clovis, buying a CTI spotting tool, a couple of jet cleaning tools, and a couple of stainless gator crimps. And then a fellow back in Ohio, Leonard Urbina, with Sparkling Clean, buying a, you must have heard the e-blast I put out recommending you guys try out my hand pumps. Got 3 gators, the black wedgets. You know, the idea of that hand pump, it puts you in control. Now you can dispense your additives, your degreasers and your peroxide mainly, as needed. Sometimes you need them, sometimes you don't. Like, look, here's some Flex. It's got everything in it, so you don't need additives for that. You would use that on your harsh cleaning jobs. But let's say Nectar's just a clean and deodorizer chemical. It may not be that dirty, just got some pet stains. What would you add to that? It's going to clean and deodorize, about 90% effective on most jobs. The only thing you would need to add is a good shot of White Knight or whatever version of peroxide you're using. Put a hand pump on that, give it a couple of squirts per gallon, RTU, and you're set. Alright, then we're going to move over here to Tom Simmons, an old guy I haven't heard from in a long time. He's been cleaning at least as long as I've been selling, because I met him about 15 years ago. Trying out my citrus degreaser. This is his first time on my website. I love to send their guys there because they can't resist. He wanted a wand. He said, what do you got close to an Evolution 13? There's the Evolution 13. Well, how about my MyTi 15? It's close. Just better. It's lighter. Believe it or not, Evolution 13's light, but the MyTi 15's even lighter. Plus the head's 2-inch wider. Teflon glide. Evolution 13's got that aluminum block thing. You know, if you break that down at the bottom, the wand is shot. In fact, that's how I got this wand. It's pretty much close to shot. And I do put a good high shear kit on the Evolution 13, but his block is breaking loose, so he's got to get another wand. MyTi 15 is a good choice. See the big fat 2-inch tube? He's a big guy, so he'll love this 2-inch. I've got him an extended reach assist handle. That's what big guys like. That's why I started making it, the tall guys, you know. Okay, he's got him a stainless soft touch with a brass female. That's what he wanted. That's what he gets. Okay, otherwise it's the same length as the Evolution 13. That's what he asked for, so that's what he gets. He's getting him a Stair tool like Roland got over here. Let's see. Yeah, nothing special on his either. Just got the 10-inch S-bend stair tool. Well, he did get a female QD with a blue cover on it. You're going to always get that Westpac soft touch. And just to make his day, I'm gonna give him a 1.5-inch male cool cuff for his cuff. Okay. And then what do we got? We got a guy back here. I forgot whose this is. I can't remember his name, but he's buying a bunch of stuff too. He got him some white night, a couple of sleeves or liners for his injection sprayer white cap, 3 yellow metering tips, got a flow through QD. See, you can see through that baby. That's the flow through. That's what you want on your QD. On your injection sprayer supply lines. Here's Tom, where he got an injection sprayer replacement supply line, and he got the 2 swiveling QDs on the ends, so his hose is going to swivel really nicely. There's not any other injection sprayer on the market that really swivels on one end, much less both ends. So that's good. You won't even know you're holding the gun with my $150 Wanderers injection sprayer. See, this fella got Ty Thurman, that's his name, in Idaho, I think. Anyway, good guy. He's bought a lot from me. He's getting a 38-foot whip hose. Got the high heat blue for him. He's getting a red release and a cool cuff lube. And so there you go. Look, check it out. He's getting both ends of the redox equation. You got the pH scale, right, guys? pH from 1 to 14. 1 is acidic. 14's alkaline. You know, you got like sulfuric acid on the 1 and ammonia on the 14, or some of the pHs you guys are using, sodium hydroxide and all that. Anyway, likewise, there's somewhat of an equivalent scale in chemical terms. They call it the redox. Redox stands for reduction, oxidation. These two chemistries are pretty much exactly on opposite ends of a scale called the redox scale. Oxidation being the high end, that's what you're doing when you're adding oxygen, and the red release is when you're reducing oxygen. Reducing agents reduce oxygen. The red release is mainly used for artificial dyes, specifically that red Kool-Aid dye that we all have problems with. I've tested all the other Kool-Aid dyes, the blues, the greens, unless it's got red in it, like orange has yellow and red, right? Unless it has red, you want to use the red ox end of the equation, the oxidation, adding oxygen. So it's pretty simple. Unless it's Kool-Aid, that's what you use for Kool-Aid, the red release. Everything else, white night, or your own version of oxidizer. Okay, you know, the powdered pre-sprays that have sodium percarbonate, that's the powdered version of percarbonate, or peroxide, sodium percarbonate. Look on the ingredients, it'll say sodium percarbonate. That's good for pretty much all of your organic stains other than Kool-Aid. For Kool-Aid, you got to have a reducing agent, the low end of the redox equation. Okay, so I think we got one more over here, guy Vincent Riema. Rex Farr brought him in. Now this guy's got his own, look at here, Capital Water and Fire Restoration Company. Thank you, Rex. That's what we need, guys in this industry that help their fellow competitors. I don't know if they get along anymore, but I know Vincent's doing pretty good. Okay, he's loving the Stair climbers, got a couple of them. He's got 3 orange wedgets, a tube of E6000, 2.5 to 2 barbed reducer, and a little tub of silicone. Okay, sorry for talking y'all's ear off. Thanks. I'll be getting these out today. Appreciate it.